हर बार बहुत खुशखबरी होती है जब भी यहाँ स्पॉन्सर करता हूँ, हर साल ही कर रहा हूँ। कैनेडा डे पे स्पेशली, it's always a great opportunity for everyone to see a lot of people here. बहुत खुश नसीब हैं हम लोग। Happy Canada Day to all. I would say आज भी मैं सुबह याद करता, हम सब लोग यहाँ पर कितने भी 400-500 लोग हैं, हम कितने खुश नसीब हैं। We are all immigrants here. Canada has given us a lot of opportunity to start from scratch and to go all the way up. Everybody works hard, we work hard, we win. That's all. So I'm always proud, feel myself to be very proud to sponsor Canada Day events. It's always good. Baki main Manny Singh, I work with Sun Life Financial. I specialize with all the insurance products, all the investments such as RRSP, TFSAs, life insurance, critical, super visa, visitor insurances. If you ever need help, happy to help, but it's आप भी नेक्स्ट टाइम अगर मौका मिले ज़रूर आएँ ऐसे इवेंट्स पे। क्रूज़ पे आने का मज़ा ही अलग होता है और कैनेडा डे के रात के टाइम फायरवर्क्स देके बहुत मज़ा आता है। बट थैंक्स अ लॉट, आई रियली वांट टू थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग अस द opportunity again and happy Canada Day. Thank you. Take care.
If I pull this one is going up, this one is going down. If I pull this one is going up, this one is going down. And if I pull this one is going up. And this one is going up, and this one is going down, and so on, and so forth. All right. Let's everybody take a guess. How many pompons do you think inside this shoe? How many? Okay. How many? 4? Okay, he said 4. How many?
Alhamdulillah, this is my second year organizing this, July 1st cruise, Canada Day cruise, and it is wonderful, Alhamdulillah, experience. And every years people learn like what did they do last year, and we always try to make all the events better than the last years. And Alhamdulillah, we started our cruise about 7:30 on time, and we just enjoying the whole ocean here, if you just see at the background. And the other thing, the people have already eaten the buffet and they are still going and taking the food as well. And it's wonderful. People are appreciating the food and they're saying it's really nice, and that's very good, because the last year we just used the same caterer as this year and they like the food a lot. And the other thing, just few minutes before, the kids enjoyed the magic show there, and the same guy actually did the balloons for the kids, and they really the kids enjoyed it a lot. And the other thing, like after a few minutes, we'll be very close to the brink of this near the city, and we are going to see if the city is going to do the fireworks. We will see the fireworks there, and plus we will watch the landscape and the skyline of the city too. And it's a wonderful outcome today. It's more than 500, 600, between 500 to 600 people. They showed up, and very thankful. All the brothers and sisters who just showed up and having a trip with us. And we promise every year and onward a better service to our community, inshallah. Very thankful to the community who just trusted me. They came here, and inshallah we'll continue these kind of shows and bring it to our community and the citizen of Canada. Thank you.
Say it like that. Oh, very cool, very cool. Okay, now. So here's the magic trick. 2 stars. We're gonna turn the boat together to make one big nice knot. Oh, right, yeah, right. Okay, so listen up. I haven't introduced myself properly, right? My name is Henry. And actually, I'm half clown, half magician, because my mom was a clown, my dad was a magician. See what happened. Okay, anyways, so this is a knot, right? It's a knot, right? Alright, you pull like that. I pull like that. Alright, okay, I go 1, 2, 3, and it says welcome. As soon as you hear welcome, you pull your end, I'm gonna pull mine. Okay, we're gonna untie that, we're gonna pull it out and untie that knot. While we're doing that, you go like this and say, alright, yeah, okay, let's practice. Go. Yeah, cool. Okay, I go 1, 2, 3, everybody says welcome. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God.
Yeah, from me and the my management of this cruise, I say Happy Canada Day. Thank you very much.
Today, actually, we came here to enjoy the landscape and weather with the brothers Muslims here, and it's very nice, mashallah. We took off at 8 o'clock, I believe. I encourage everybody to come if they have the chance next time, inshallah. جزاكم الله خير. أنا طبعا رئيس الجالية اليمني في تورنتو. أهني كل من جاءت اليوم، وعيد مبارك إن شاء الله، كل عام وأنتم طيبين. واليوم إن شاء الله هو يوم سلبريت كندا، يعني يوم عيد ميلاد كندا. في عام 1807 أو 76 كندا صارت كندا هابي كندا داي، ونحن إن شاء الله نهني جميع الكنديين. فهابي كندا داي فور all brothers.
बहुत अच्छा हलाल फूड है, बड़ी अच्छी गैदरिंग है, मैनेजमेंट बहुत अच्छी है, एवरीथिंग इज़ गुड एंड फाइन. थैंक यू वेरी मच. वी होप वी विल मेट at 14th of August again. Thank you very much.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम. जीने मेरा दिल लुटिया ओ, जीने में नुमार सुटिया ओ. Happy Canada Day to everyone. Thank you.